Hey everyone, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be pouring some shot. I have this bucket right here full of a bunch of scrap sterling. Got some scrap jewelry here, and then I got some scrap silverware as well. So got about 3.7 kilos of sterling here. There's a little bit of 90% in there as well. So just kind of trying to figure out the best way to digest this and the nitric so that we can go ahead and cement that out and use that to feed our cell. I could just throw it all in the nitric, but I think with the surface area of the shot, I'm just going to take a few extra minutes to melt this down, and I think that will digest quicker. So I'm going to do a little experiment here and see how that goes. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started here. So we got the 2-auto electric furnace here. I have an older 3-kilogram crucible in there, graphite crucible that came with the 2-auto. I think I'm on use like 5 or 6, and this thing's looking pretty beat up right now, so I'll have to get that replaced soon. But I have my bucket of scrap here. I'm gonna throw my gloves on and just start filling this thing up. It's not hot or anything yet, but stuff's kind of some of it's kind of nasty. As you can probably see there, it's got a lot of tarnish on it, and frankly some of this stuff just stinks. So I'm gonna go ahead and start crushing this up and filling it up here. Alright, didn't get as much in there as I was hoping to, so I'm going to go ahead and fire this thing up. Once it's hot, it'll go ahead and melt down pretty quick, and then we can fill it up. So 3 kilograms crucible, 3.7 kilograms, probably do about 2 pours. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to talk about this bucket over here to the left that you can barely see as well. Something I'm going to try out right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing heated up, and I'll be back in a few. Alright, well actually while that's warming up, let's go ahead and talk about this contraption over here. So my plan is I've got this water pump hooked up right now to this bucket. I have that kind of the jet pointing out the side there. I want to see if I can get this water spinning around. This is a 6-gallon bucket. Do have a metal bowl in the bottom to try to keep the bottom of the plastic burning, but I think filling this thing up to the top with water, it's not going to get that far. But then I suck down from the bottom there into the pump. Got a little filter on there in case some silver gets through, and then that circulates back through. So yeah, we'll test this out in a few. All right, I did mention that I did some pours already. This is just over 5 kilos worth of, got some scrap coin in there as well as some sterling. So got quite a bit of flake put in there already. So you can see that. It's kind of what we're shooting for with the rest of it. It's got a nice consistency to it right now. A lot of surface area. So ran into some issues with some of these where I thought some of my items were coin or sterling, but turns out when I put it in there, there's quite a bit of copper in a few of the items. I'll see if I can get a picture of those and post those up. But overall, got some 92% silver in here that we're going to go ahead and digest down and cement out. All right, I told you I had a few copper items that snuck into one of my other melts. We had a few knives there. What's left of 2 spoons also. Thought I checked everything, but apparently I didn't. So, you know, I'll see if I can maybe see what I can do with these. There's probably something I can do. So the furnace is almost warmed up. I got most of the big stuff out of the big bucket here. Got it all smashed down and ready to go into the furnace. Sorry, Olga. But yeah, there's just a lot of scrap that I've been collecting and finding in different places. So, and then I still do have those 2 bags of spoons out there. Spoons, silverware, old junk that's all rusted up that I'm gonna throw in there as well. So let's go check on the furnace, see where that's at, and then we'll start loading this thing up. All right, hopefully you can see that. I know with the LEDs it doesn't show up well on the camera, but we're right at about 1095, so everything that I loaded up in there initially should be ready to go. So let's go ahead and get this camera set up and start filling this bad boy up. Alrighty, so we got everything out of this small bucket in there. Everything cut down. I still have this silverware here and the jewelry that I'm not even gonna deal with yet right now. So I think what we're gonna do next is we're going to head over here and get the water flowing on this bad boy, and we'll start to pour. All right, let's get this guy plugged in and do this pour. All right, let's go ahead and pull this bucket out of here. Got a little bit of graphite that fell on the top, but that's fine. All right, some big old slugs in there. I'm not quite sure what those are. Pull those out, but Yeah, it's a nice little pour there. I'll get it all dried and weighed out and let you know. After pulling that bucket out, you can see there's a little bit of silver in there, but nothing too bad. And that intake on the bottom there is about 1.5 inches or so off, so not a great chance of silver falling in there, but that's where we're at. Alrighty, so I got a bunch of small straps and stuff left in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing going again and see if we can clear the rest of this out. I'm just kind of tired of this stuff hanging out in the bottom of the bucket. Losing a little off the side here. It's all right. Note, this is not turned on yet, so don't freak out. All right, well, because that was just a fraction of what's in there. I'll go ahead and get it fired up now, get these pieces pulled out of here, and then we'll, I think maybe we'll add some silver in there, some old stuff that's all monogrammed and mangled and really worthless to nobody. So, all right, we'll be back. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get this batch that's in the furnace right now poured off. I'm glad I got this inline filter on there, because as you can see there's some silver floating around in there, so I'll have to pull that out after. Alright, so I got most of the water drained out of here. Let's see if I can get some light in there. Where's the light coming from? A little bit pouring out there still, but you can see nice amount of silver down there. Let's get this pulled out. Oh, it's gonna fight me, huh? There we go. Kind of looks like gold. Wish it were gold, but yeah, you can see a little bit of junk in the bottom. Not too bad, but let's go ahead and get this dried off as well, and then we'll get it all weighed up. One thing I like to do as well is try to get as much of the graphite off there as possible. Just kind of give it a little rinse, and then when I pour this out, well, it's a little dark, but normally about 2 rinses, and it gets most of the graphite off there. So yeah, see, nice cornflakes. Got an idea on making rounder shot. That'll be an experiment for another day. I have to kind of build that contraption, but we'll see. All right, let's go get this dried off and we'll get it all weighed. All right, so I got it all drained off. Gonna put in a pot here, some nice stuff. So let's get it heated up, dry it out, and then we'll weigh it. Alrighty, so we got everything dry here. Both of these are dry. These are both batches that I poured here. So kind of got everything measured out beforehand. I think it was around like 3.7 kilos. So let's go ahead and dump this stuff in and see how it does. Some of these things turned out pretty cool. It's pretty sweet. So, all right, let's go ahead and get these dumped in.
one's kind of nasty. Let's pull that one out. My junk drawer over there. All right, let's get the other one put in. Okay, I definitely mismeasured that before. I think I might have forgot to take the bucket off. So, yep, we're at about 2.5 kilos. And this should be pretty close to 925 purity. So we'll go ahead and get started here soon. Getting this all digested in nitric and then cement it out and get us to about that. Yeah, I've heard about 98% silver, and then we can go from there, get the silver cell going. So still working on building the fume hood. Hopefully getting that wrapped up within the next week or two, and then I will get that video out. But yeah, just kind of working through this as more of a newbie, looking through videos that I've seen online and going from there. So stay tuned, subscribe, hang out, watch the journey. Thank you.